Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today, we're gonna go check out our cuttings in our greenhouse and talk to you about a couple other things coming up.
Yeah, you know what? We've been inside working all day and it's not raining finally. So we're like racing outside to just see what's going on.
It's a big deal.
You guys probably have this happen too, or maybe you have snow right now. So it's like anytime you can just get outside and get your hands on something, you know, it just feels so good. But before we get to all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So guys, we're just gonna take you for a little jaunt here and just come on this way.
Through the arbor.
Through the arbor, here we go.
Which, by the way, we've now decided we're gonna put another arbor right over here. So if you watched yesterday's video, we were talking about planning the terracing project, which is gonna be all up in this back part.
Oh yeah, yeah. So the new arbor is gonna go at the end of this walkway here.
Oh, that's gonna be
so
awesome.
It's gonna match this one.
Yeah, that's gonna be super fun.
Yeah, be good. Gotta have some projects.
Well, we have seed to grow over it now. That's kind of the main
yeah.
thing.
So
we bought seed, and now we have nowhere to grow it.
Who's that coming from?
From Park Seed Company, we bought hyacinth bean, and that was a recommendation from Laura from How's It Growing, New Jersey.
Thank you, Laura.
We're super excited to grow that and try it out in our climate. So now we need a new arbor just to grow the seed.
Cool.
So not a bad thing.
Not a bad thing at all. So guys, we're gonna show you on the way to the greenhouse a couple other things that we wanted to update you on. So I'm gonna come over here and so in our little garden area, oh, there's the latch.
I know, it's so cute.
Yeah. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna show you all of our healed in plants. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a mess back here. Don't worry, or don't mind all the stuff. Sean is almost finished with our new little tool shed.
Almost
so
there.
If you've been following along, we will have a big reveal next week. But that's kind of why this is a mess. This will all go hidden over there.
So yeah, so we're checking on our healed in plants here. Looking pretty good.
Look at all these guys.
Yeah.
This is pretty fun. We still have a lot of green over here, which is amazing.
They're overwintering really well right now, and so we're really happy with how this turned out.
So we've got, let's talk about what we have here. We've got a dianthus that looks like it's starting to rebloom. We actually divided that one earlier this summer, remember?
Yeah, there's a little transplant shot going on there.
Yeah, it looks like it. But
So yeah, so we got some heather here too, and then we've got some winter daphne. And what are these guys called again?
These were from Proven Winners. These were little ornamental pomegranate.
That's right, the and there's one right there.
It was kind of an experiment, you guys. They gave these to us to try out, and they weren't expecting them to grow in our 8B climate. But they looked beautiful. So we actually they're still so small, so we weren't sure where to put them yet, right? So that's kind of what this whole healing in garden is. We weren't sure where to put all of these plants yet. A lot of them are new. Like we just grew, this is blue grandma grass. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was amazing. Look at all this. We just grew this from seed this year.
So we got our crocosma over here that we actually grew from seed.
Look at
that's
this.
doing well. And then we've also got our rosemary right here, and that's doing really well over here.
Really
and then
good.
we've got our Spanish lavender.
Spanish lavender.
And so everything's looking really good, guys. So there's an update on that.
We didn't talk about that willow.
Oh, yeah,
that's
the
cool.
willow.
That actually was not supposed to survive in our climate either, and it did. It looks great.
Yep, it's looking good. Yep, we got some nice new tissue going here, and yep.
So we are getting ready to head over to the greenhouse, like Sean said, and he's getting all gloved up because you guys, we're going to show you. You've probably seen our cute little greenhouse we just built. This was our COVID project last spring, but it's kind of annoying because we haven't built a door yet. So
this is our door, guys. It's plastic and it's rolled up and rolled down. Every time we want to come in, come out, open it up and close it up. So we've got two pieces of small concrete pavers holding the sides down in the wind and whatnot. And also so the animals don't get in here, because we've had quite a few birds get stuck in here, and it's quite a feet to get them back out.
Which we did. But
yeah, we did. They're all good. No birds were harmed in the building or use of this greenhouse. So yeah, to open this up, we basically have to move these concrete pieces and move those out of the way. And then the real technical part. Here we go. So guys, you can see super technical, and we're ready for a door now. So this is gonna be brought to the top of the priority list for next projects.
Yay.
Yep. So here we go.
All right, in we go.
So in we go. So guys, we're in the greenhouse. You saw how technical our door was. So now We are going to look at our cuttings. Something to explain to you too is after we got done fertilizing these last week, we reread the directions on the fertilizer bag, and it did say to mix this fertilizer, Dr. Earth's natural organic fertilizer, general fertilizer. It said to mix it into the first inch down in the soil of each pot. So we came back later and mixed it in down about an inch. And so, so now we're here. Everything's looking really well. We've got these separated out to no water needed, water needed.
It's just fun to come in here. We have so much growth going on, and it's if you've taken cuttings, you know it's so fun to just watch them grow, take care of them, and just see what happens from day to day. So they're all really liking the treatment, and the heating mat is working out really well. So Sean's gonna take care of these guys. We need to remember to get our African daisy over here too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, give each one of these guys just a little drink. We don't too wet. Don't want them to get too wet. So a little drink for each one of them, especially these geraniums. They like it on the drier side. We don't want them to rot out. So guys, leave any comments or questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap, you guys. We just took a quick little tour, a little walk around one little side of our garden. So thanks for watching and coming along with us. We'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video, so come on by to see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.